The 2013 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailer tow group, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, speed control, anti-spin rear differential. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, panic alarm, CD player, radio data system, air conditioning. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.